Hi there, it's me again. I'm Tufel Yusuf and welcome back to my channel Talented Coder. So today we are going to learn how to make a key press sensitive alert box in JavaScript as we know. So let's begin. So first we'll be creating a new folder, name it as key press alert box. There we go. And now open it in your code editor. I have Visual Studio Code. So we are back, and now over here we'll click on the file, open folder, and just type Keypress Alert Box, open. So it has loaded and the welcome page is over here. So we'll just close it. Over here we'll create a new file, name it as index.html because this is a file which will give us that. Okay, the basic boilerplate, and over here we'll just type, we don't need anything over here, just a script so that we can include our index.js. We'll just name it index.js file, right? And now over here we create another file, name it as index.js, right? And now over here what we are going to do is we are going to click on live server, open with live server. Over here right click, open with live server, and it will open. Yeah, here is it, document, right? And now in the index.js file what we are going to do is we are going to type a function which will give us the alert on which key we pressed. So let's begin. So first of all we must do it like this. So we must select the document dot body dot add event listener, and the event will be key press, and on the key press you also want the function, right? And in the function we're going to add this e and open this bracket, and make sure you have this e over here, right? That is the event. And now over here what we are going to do is alert, and in this template strings we are going to type you just clicked and over here we are going to do this and type e.key. Let's check it out. We just click any key on our keyboard. I'll click on Q. You just clicked Q. Wow, nice. And key, and after that we are also gonna do something else, that is we are going to add these stuffs dot to uppercase, and we check it out again, Q. Oh, it did not come actually. Yeah, it did not, so we'll just remove it. Okay, right? And now we'll try it again. D, you just click D, you just click C. Wow, it's working. So now we'll add some more functionality than this. That is, once we click a key it will tell us exit, you click exit or something else, but I think for now this is the best option. We can do it for now. So you will find the other stuffs in the next part of this video. So see you guys later. Please like and subscribe, and please comment. The once you subscribe, please comment on my channel that I have subscribed, and I'll try to reply to you as soon as possible. So please like and subscribe. See you guys later. Bye. See you guys.